In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download the Right Total Battle game app on your Android smartphone. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and look for this game app through Google Play Store. For that, I'll just go to this is the Google Play Store and search here with the name. If you can't see this search bar, then just tap on this search icon here, and this will allow you to search the name and then tap on search here. Now, as you can see, our game app is here. If you tap on it, we have an option to install it. Now, before install, just make sure it is from Score Warriors. This is the official producers of this game, and at the time of recording this game has a star rating of 4.5 with a total of 277,000 reviews, and the game is averagely 99 MBs with a total download of over 10 million. And currently this is the logo. Go ahead and tap on download, and this will go ahead and download this Total Battle strategy game app. Once the download is done, it will be installed on your smartphone and it will be ready for play. You can launch it from here. Alternatively, if you go back and go to your apps, now you can see we have Total Battle game. You can now go ahead and tap on it to launch and start playing. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.